In this video, you'll learn how to add real emotions to your AI voice using PlayHT. I'll show you how to find blocks in the Design Center in AutoCAD and quickly insert them into your drawings. First, type ADCENTER in the command line and press Enter to open the Design Center. This tool gives you access to block libraries, drawing files, and other reusable design resources. In the Design Center window, browse through the available folders until you find the location that contains the blocks you need. Open a DWG file by expanding it, then click on the Blocks folder to view all the blocks stored in that drawing. You can preview each block before using it, making it easier to choose the right one for your project. Once you've found the block you want, simply drag and drop it into your current drawing, or double-click to insert it. This is a fast and efficient way to reuse existing content without creating everything from scratch. Using the Design Center helps improve productivity, maintain consistency, and speed up your AutoCAD workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.